Hello students, how are you? So let's start our revision. So this is a video for revision of class 12th English CBSE pattern multiple choice questions which includes textbook and supplementary reader lessons presented by SK Jain PGT English. Question number 1. Who is the author of the third level? Third level, a lesson from supplementary reader. Option A, George Orwell. Option B, Agatha Christie. Option C, James Joyce. Option D, Jack Finney. So what is the right answer? Yes, the right answer is option D, Jack Finney. Second question. What is the meaning of making dream wish fulfillment? Option A pleasure wish that makes one forget the present. B. A pleasant wish that takes one to the future. C. A pleasant wish which inspires to work. D. A pleasant wish that makes one forget the present. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 3. What is the theme of the lesson? Option A, human tendency of escapism because of harsh realities of the present. B, time traveling. C, theory of escapism. D, a dialogue between a patient and a psychiatrist. So theme of the lesson is option A, human tendency of escapism because of the harsh realities of the present. Question number 4. What does the third level signify? Option A human tendency to escape from the harsh realities of the present to past happy times. B, a third way on Grand Central Station. C, a third gate on Grand Central Station. D, none. So the right answer is option A, human tendency to escape from the harsh realities of the present to the past happy times. Question number 5. What is waking dream wish fulfillment according to the psychiatrist in the lesson? Option A, Charles' finding of a third level at Grand Central Station and realization of his wish to visit Galesburg, Illinois. B, Charles' escapism. C, Charles' escapism from realities. So the right answer is Charles finding a third level at Grand Central Station and realization of his wish to visit Galesburg, Illinois. Question number 6. Who was Charles' wife? Option A, a woman. B, a woman with bright top. C, a woman at the third level. D, Louisa. Right answer is D, Louisa. Question number 7. Who is the poet of the poem My Mother at 66? Option A, John Keats. B, Rudyard Kipling. C, William Wordsworth. D, Kamala Das. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is Kamala Das. Next question. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? A, losing her mother. B, heart attack. C, headache. D, children screaming at her. So right answer is losing her mother. Question number 9. Name the poetic device used in the poem My Mother at 66. Option A, metaphor. B, simile. C, alliteration. D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. What is the significance of the title My Mother at 66? A, poet's fear of losing her old mother. B, poet's fear of moving fast. C, poet's inability to express her feeling. D, all of these. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Words fear of losing her old mother. Question number 11. Who is the author of the last lesson? A. Jane Austen, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Nunn, D. Alphonse Daudet. So right answer is Alphonse Daudet. Question number 12. The story The Last Lesson highlights which human tendency? A. Male chauvinism, B. Procrastination, C. Courage, D. Cowardice. So the right answer is procrastination. Means shifting the work till tomorrow, not doing the work at the present. Question number 13. What does the last lesson symbolize? A. Loss, B. Loss of freedom, C. Loss of language, D. Loss of language and freedom. So the correct answer is option D. Loss of language and freedom. Question number 14. What can Earth teach us? A. Earth can teach us patience, perseverance and preservation. B. Earth also shows us how life takes birth even from remains and the ashes. It teaches us how new life emerges from the ashes of the dead. Question number 15. What do you mean by grandeur of the domes? Answer. Growth and decay go hand in hand in nature and both have their own grandeur and beauty. The poet sees beauty in the magnificent decay and death of these beautiful creations of nature. Likewise, a brave and grand death makes one immortal. Question 16. What does sudden strangeness mean? Answer. The togetherness would cause sudden strangeness because of the fact that it would be a new and novel experience. It would be for the first time that everyone would be united for a common cause, common purpose, without conflicting interest. Question number 17. How is Mukesh's attitude to his situation different from his family? Answer. Mukesh is not interested in pursuing the occupation of his family, that is bangle making. He is ready to accept the challenges. Mukesh insists on being his own master. See, next, when he says, I will learn to drive a car, looking straight into the author's eyes, one can read determination and conviction in them. He is ready to overcome hurdles and fight his destiny and carve a different life for himself. Mukesh's family, on the other hand, feels it is his karam, his destiny. His grandmother feels, can a God-given lineage ever be broken? Question number 18. From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? Answer. Business of selling rat trap was not especially profitable, so he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. One day this man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. He had been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world with its land and seas, its cities and villages was nothing but a big rat trap. Question number 19. Why did the messenger come to Dr. Sadao? What did Hannah think about it? The messenger came from palace in the evening in official uniform. He came to deliver the general's message to Sadao. The general was in pain. He needed operation, so he had sent for Dr. Sadao. The messenger came with the message. Hannah thought that the servants have complained about the American soldiers' presence in Sadao's house to the authorities. She thought that the messenger has come to arrest Dr. Sadao. Question number 20. Why did Gandhi agree to settlement of 25% refund to the farmers? Gandhi agreed to a settlement. He justified his agreement by explaining that the amount of the refund was less important than the fact that the landlords had obliged to surrender part of their money and with it part of their prestige. Therefore, as far as the peasants were concerned, the planters had behaved as lords of the law. Now the peasants saw he had rights and defenders. He learned courage. Share, subscribe.